Hello students, welcome to English Literature class. Today we will start our class with the continuation of the topic chapter 5. In the previous videos we have seen the conversation between Pooja and her friends and grandpa, and they were discussing about the uses of trees. Let's see the next part of the conversation. Let's read. Children, what should we do to save the trees? Grandpa, we must protect trees. We must teach people about the importance of trees. We must try our best to grow more trees. We should save trees by not cutting them. Here, children are saying, what should we do to save the trees? They are asking Grandpa that what should they do to save the trees? Grandpa says, here Grandpa gives a reply. We must protect trees. He says that we must protect the trees. We must teach people about the uses of the trees. We must tell them about the importance of the trees. We must try to grow more and more trees. We should plant more and more trees. We should save the trees and should not cut the trees. Now let's move to the next para. The Chipko movement was started by Sundar Lal Bahuguna to save trees in Garhwal. When tree fellers came to chop trees, people tightly clasped the trees with their arms, making it impossible for them to cut the trees. Clasped here. Clasped means to hold tightly, grasp something tightly with one's hand. Clasped means to hold tightly. Now, Grandpa says that the Chipko movement was started by Sundarlal Bahuguna. He started this movement to save the trees in Garhwal. When tree fellers came to chop the trees or to cut the trees, people held the trees tightly with their arms, and the tree fellers, they were unable to cut the trees. They saved the trees. The people in Garhwal saved the trees from the tree fellers. Now let's move to the next para. Here you can see a picture where people are holding the trees tightly and they are protecting the trees from the tree fellers. Let's move to the next para here. Government has started the Van Mahotsav program, which means planting of trees. We should not waste the products obtained from trees. This will result in less trees being cut down. Here Grandpa says that government has started the Van Mahotsav program, which means planting of trees. Van Mahotsav means planting of trees. We should not waste the products that we get from the trees. This will result in less trees being cut down. Now the last para is here. All the children thanked Grandpa and promised him that they would treat trees as their true friends. They promised to plant more and more trees. Meanwhile, it stopped raining. They happily rushed out to play in the garden. So all the children thanked Grandpa and promised him that they would treat the trees as their true friends. Children, we all know that trees are our true friends. They are our green friends. The children promised to plant more and more trees, and they promised not to cut down the trees. Meanwhile, it stopped raining and the rain also stopped. They happily rushed out to play in the garden. All the children, they rushed out to play in the garden. Hope you understood the video. Thank you.